Hello family, it's Jim Hawkins. Today is Friday, February 6, 2026. I'm entitling this little fast clip, Someone Needs a Boost. So if you are aware, I work with the Postal Service, and this is probably 27 years of working, 28 years almost with the Postal Service. This is probably the most challenging, difficult time to carry. If you can look in my background, there's a bunch of snow out here. It's been like this for about 2 weeks now, and I am worn out. Not only me, but several throughout the country who've had to deal with this weather and the way some of the cities are successful in moving the snow or clearing the pathways for us to deliver mail, whether it be walking, whether it be driving. I'm fortunate enough to have some seniority, and I do have a driving route, but the way the roads have been plowed is very, very difficult to get out almost every single mailbox. If the homeowner or the resident didn't clear a pathway for us, you basically have to get out per every mailbox. And this is not meant for my job to explain my job, but I'm tired. I've done this for 27 years, almost 28 years now, and this has been the most challenging time I've ever had in the whole entire of all the weather. I don't know what it is. This year just was really bad. People are at home, and some people that have not been able to go to work, they're all ordering packages, and it feels like Christmas again. So our package delivery has gone up, but again, this is not meant to explain my job. The fact, going back to the title of this, is everyone or someone needs a boost. The boost that I'm referring to is like a hug, or if your spouse, a kiss, or just acknowledgement. And this is not for my wife by any means, but going to people that are dealing with weather conditions or maybe personal issues, deaths, things like that. Everybody just needs a boost every once in a while. Like I said, a hug, a kiss, those are physical. Some of the mental things is just somebody coming up and saying, hey, are you doing okay? You're doing a great job. I listen to Sherry Dershowitz a lot. I apologize, I haven't been there much. Been getting home late and just don't get the time to listen to her. But she always ends her videos with a positive note, talking about how you are important and you are loved and things like that. And I think that's kind of what I'm referring to in this. Everybody just needs a boost. Like I said, people, you haven't talked to friends for a while, and you don't know what they're going through. They may be having some struggles. There's other physical things, but sometimes they just need to hear, hey, you're doing a great job. I know Chris is out there every day, Chris Johnson, posting on Facebook about the birthdays and people that need prayer. And again, that's a positive thing. And that's kind of what I'm talking about, is sometimes you just need to give a boost to somebody. And to come down to it, we're all working hard. We're all struggling with things, whatever we're struggling with. But there is one person that we all know, and I don't know, there's not anybody that says, hey, you're doing a great job. But again, I'm going to throw this out there, but Ash Mafar has been pretty silent. Usually in the past, he's been out and he'd love to share things with us, and we really don't know what he's going through. But I'm going to suggest that we do a big boost for him, whether it be a prayer or I don't know. Some people have direct contact with them. I certainly don't. But we need to boost him too. I'm sure, again, the things that he's going through, again, we don't know a lot of the stuff. His silence for us is always a good thing, because he's usually working in the background doing something. But we don't have the direct contact to say, hey, Ash, you're doing a great job. Keep up the good work. Again, because we're not very sure what's happening with Victory with Ash, how things are finalizing with the old on passive business again. But Ash, here, this is me saying this. You're doing a great job. Keep it up, sir. Keep it up, buddy. Keep it up, my friend. However you want to say that. Again, and I'm encouraging you to make this maybe your next couple days, if you do a video, to throw this out there and just give Ash a good boost, because he certainly needs a boost as well. God is with us all. I'm not going to get into a religion thing, but you know, God is good, and He's there to watch us, to oversee us. However, again, like, this is not meant to be a religious video, but I am a believer. So I throw this out to all the people who are working hard behind the scenes to get this Victory with Ash done and up and running. Ash is trying to make it right. Ash has to do this right. Any bit that doesn't come out that's correct or functioning properly is going to be a failure in the public's eyes. They're going to be like, yeah, this guy just doesn't know. So Ash is trying to do everything right. And again, with that, I'm sure mentally he's drained. He's tired too. Kind of like I said, with the things I've been doing with my job, I know if you're anything like that, again, someone needs a boost. Again, all these people that are out there doing things for us while we're waiting, I boost you all too. You're all doing a great job. I love you. Keep up the good work. Again, with that, that's all I got to say. I know I got to run into work here, but I love you all, and I hope things are well. And again, keep up the good work. Keep up all the good things that you're doing. Give you a bro hug, a mental hug, a physical hug. Sometimes that's what everybody needs. But anyway, thank you for listening. I do appreciate you all. And again, I've got something coming up next week. It's going to be kind of a surprise. If you like surprises, I like surprises. So be on the lookout for another video for next week. Love you guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Like, comment, do all that stuff. My goal is to try to get to 1,000 people. I think I'm at like 790 or 792 or something. So I need about I need some more subscribers so that I can start doing some more things with my channel. So again, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Be on the lookout for another video from next week. Take it easy. Love you. Bye.